Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our video topic is quotes for APS Peshawar attack. Number 1. The blood of martyrs is the seed of freedom. Unknown person. Number 2. We will not be intimidated, we will not be deterred, and we will not be defeated. Number 3. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. Nelson Mandela. Number 4. Terrorism has no religion, no ethnicity, and no nationality. Malala Yousafzai. Number 5. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Allama Iqbal. Number 6. We will never forget the sacrifices of our martyrs and will continue strive for a better future. ये भी अननोन पर्सन का है. Number 7. The APS Peshawar attack was a cowardly act of terrorism, but it will not be break our spirit. Unknown person. Number 8. We stand united against terrorism and will continue to promote education, peace and unity. Unknown person. Number 9. The martyrs of APS Peshawar will always be remembered as a hero who gave their lives for our freedom. Unknown person. We will honor the memories of our martyrs by continuing to strive for a brighter future. Unknown person. Number 11. Their smiles, their laughter, their dreams and their aspiration will never be forgotten. Unknown person. Number 12. We will not let the terrorist win. We will rise above the hate and the violence. Unknown person. Number 13. The APS Peshawar attack was a tragedy that shook our nation, but it will not break our spirit. Unknown person. Number 14. We stand united in our grief, but also in our determination to build a better future. Unknown person. Number 15. Their sacrifice will not be in vain. We will continue to strive for a Pakistan that is just, peaceful and prosperous. Unknown person. Number 16. We will remember the APS Peshawar martyrs as a hero who gave their lives for our freedom and our future. Unknown person. Number 17. Terrorism may have taken their lives, but it will never take away their memories, their dreams and their aspirations. Unknown. Number 18. We will continue to educate, to inspire and to empower our youth to build a better future. Unknown person. Number 19. The APS Peshawar attack was a reminder that our struggle for peace, justice and equality is far from over. Unknown person. Number 20. We will honor their memories by continuing to work towards a Pakistan that is free from terrorism, extremism and violence. Unknown person. Thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.